Alrighty folks, here we go. We're over here at 246 in Sharonville, and we got an eastbound charging up. It's coming at us on 2, and there's also a westbound lined up on 1, so we have an incredible amount of luck. We might get a train meet here. Probably not, but you never know. But here we go. I'm not sure if he's going to be working or not, if he's just going straight through. Oh, that's interesting. Check that out. There's Tubby. I didn't even see him. I just saw him out of the corner of my eye at the last second. On the side of that coke hopper there. That's pretty cool. Alrighty folks, here we go. I had to switch cameras. Just ran out of storage on the other one, so we're going with camera 3 here. Not as great as the other 2, but she'll do. Now, I can't imagine that was an actual road freight. I can only assume that's a yard job. It's gonna work. That'd be pretty crazy though, long hood forward ace. But like I said, we still got a signal lined up to come west on the bypass, so could always be a surprise train meet here, I'm not sure. Interesting graffiti right there. That's pretty cool. And yeah, he stopped not that far off, so he's working the yard, so not sure if he's picking up more cars or if he's gonna shove in. I would assume he's gonna shove in, but I'm not sure. Alrighty folks, here we go. Here's our westbound. There you go, 50G. now how cool is that? 50G on the bypass, and you've got an NS yard job shoving in on 2. That's awesome. Well, at the point he's moving, probably get another shot of the engine here too. Because he didn't pull too far up. There's Tubby right there. I didn't see the first time. The last second. Yep, here we go. There you go. Yard job shoving in on 2. Now these signals probably won't change for a few minutes, but I would assume they'll go back to neutral. Well, at least one will. 2's an absolute, 1's an automatic, so it'll probably just go back to neutral unless there's something else coming. But that was still pretty cool. I have never got a train meet over here at 246 in Sharonville because the Dayton district gets so little traffic, so that was really cool. All right, let's see what else we can get into. Alrighty, folks, here we go. He's coming out on 2 now. Still lit up with an approach. Alrighty, folks, here we go. Coming out on 2. Still lit up with an approach. He's been sitting back there about a half hour. And here he comes. Looks like it might be a -9. I can't tell. He might still be working, I'm not sure, but I think it might be a whole actual road train and not just a yard job. We'll see. Alrighty, folks, here's the train. 9762 leads, 9744 second. And I can't tell what that third one is. It's a little too dark to see, but hopefully he'll pull a little farther down. We can see it at the crossing. Alrighty, folks, here they go, charging up to come east. Hopefully we'll get it to see what that third engine is. they just barely took their headroom signal. The 9762 just barely passed it, but two 9700s and a 9800. How cool is that? I mean, you never would have thought that this would be rare, but with more and more C6Ms getting rebuilt, or with more of these getting rebuilt into C6Ms, they're starting to get rare and rare. The 94s just got completely retired, and now they're starting to work on the 95s, so sooner or later they'll all be gone. They go off into the night. I don't think they're finished yet, because I didn't see the conductor get back on the head end, so I assume they're still working. But 3-9's pretty cool. 297s, which is my personal favorite, I guess, subgenre of number series of the entire -9 fleet, the 97s, and then a 98 too. So 3 lashed up together is pretty cool. Maybe we'll get lucky again and get another Tubby appearance. I'm not sure how many cars they're going to pull out, or if they're going to shove more back in, or what they're going to do. But I can only assume the conductor will get a ride up to the head end, because I can't imagine they're going to shove this whole thing back in, but you never know. Alrighty, folks. Just dropped the air, so they should be moving here in a second. I'm not sure if they're pulling or shoving. Well, there's how you open a boxcar. Random side note of the evening. It's got that handle right there. Yeah, there's definitely some slack action going on. It's an A-OK 50-foot boxcar. Now, like I said, I'm not sure if this is their drop-off, or if these are cars they picked up, or I'm not sure what they're doing. If they're shoving back onto their train, maybe? I couldn't tell you, because I wasn't here when they started, so I don't know if they've picked up or dropped off anything, or what they're doing. But if they were just shoving onto their train, if I see any sign of the conductor getting driven up to the head end, I can only assume there'll be a crew van that goes along the access road on the other side of the train. If I see someone drive up that way, I may try to go leapfrog him up to Tylersville Road and get him again, if there's any reason that it looks like they're leaving. But we'll see. Not sure yet. Here we go. The air just went. Looks like they're moving again. They shoved back about a car the first time, because when they started moving, the reporting mark on that box car. Oh no, here we go. They're going ahead. So you say they rolled back about a car because the reporting mark was in line with me when they started. Now it's coming back up. I'm still not sure what they're doing, if they're picking up or dropping off cars. There you go. It's cool to see how these cars react halfway back in the train. I mean, if you've got a train that's a mile long, there's a lot that can happen with slack. I mean, you can have several feet built up across the entire length of the train. Yeah, it looks like there's another headlight down there. I'm not sure if that's the air job or what. There was somebody down there at the other end when I was driving over the Sharon Road overpass. There was another locomotive or something down there. I'm not sure if that's a train or what. Nothing's lined for the bypass though. But I'm seeing a flashlight down there, so I wonder if there's another job working down there. But no one is back on the head end yet. At least from what I know. There's a flag in there. I don't know if you saw that. There was a flag in the knuckle there between the box car and that coil car. That's interesting. Yeah, you can see the headlight now. So something's coming up. Getting a little closer. See if we'll get some more slack action here. No, not too much. Well, see what happens when they start rolling again.